up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are at Vernon again, teaching another noob how to snowboard. We got my boy Meblin over here with his rental board, his rental helmet, his rental personality, and we're
Oh my god.
He's been snowboarding a few times at Big Snow, but this is his first time at an actual mountain. And we took one run, you just saw it, and he did pretty sick already. So by the end of the day, you'll see him do like 2 flips, maybe a car. Pro, yeah, he's sponsored already. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers for the end of this winter though, so if you could hit that subscribe button for me, I'm uploading daily. It'd be sick. Let's go snowboarding. Let's watch Meblin fall a few times, hopefully. Leave content. That's about it. Let's go. Keep her going, bud. Hey, bud. Man, we're just helping out. Bend your knees a little more. There you go. You good? No worries. Hey, same spot. You're consistent. Look at you. Oh! Oh, so smooth. Oh, okay. Look at him go. Alright, so a quick change of plans. We're at South. Well, not South, we're at Bear Peak. I think he's doing good enough. So we came over here right at 12. There's no lines. It's perfect. Conditions look good. Yeah. Do you have anything? What do you have to say so far?
I feel like I'm getting like my footing under me a little bit. It's a little bit more comfortable. I gotta keep my knees bent. But other than that, I've been slaying. I'll be professional in maybe like a month or so.
He's actually killing it. Yeah. So we're happy. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna go do some snowboarding. And that's it. Let's go. There you go. Yeah, keep it up. Yeah. That was your first black diamond. Hell yeah! I didn't tell you. Let's go, dude. Ah! We'll get it later. I figured if I didn't tell you, you'd do better. Dude, we're hyped. He just hit his first black diamond.
Let's go.
He killed it too. It was absolutely perfect. Yeah. He didn't fall on it. He was just cruising.
Yeah.
And
the band ain't shit. Like
they don't need to know.
Yeah, they don't need to know.
The sun just came out. It's because he hit that black diamond. Yeah. He did it. So yeah. So if you want to start snowboarding, I highly recommend it. Find a friend who's pretty good. Spend way too much money and have some fun. That's all there is to it. We're gonna keep riding for a bit and get some more clips of Meb just absolutely killing the mountain right now. Oh, yeah, let's go. Look at him go. Chill, find a rhythm, find rhythm. What's up, dude?
Maybe before the end of the season,
All
we
right.
gotta do this again, eh?
For sure, man.
All right, take
That
care.
was fun. All right, guys, we're back in the car after a long day of riding. Honestly, I'm really impressed with how Medlin did. He has been to big snow a few times. I think he said he's been there 5 times or 4 times. This was his first time on a real mountain, and he did great. Took him to North for a bit, and then took him over to Bear Peak and brought him down to Black Diamond without him knowing, and he did perfectly fine. So really happy with how he did. He's really stoked to keep snowboarding, so you're gonna hopefully see him a bit more in the future. That's it for this video. That's it for this video. Come back again tomorrow for another daily video, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.